Okay, an equation of a circle. All right, essentially a general equation of a circle looks like this: x minus a squared plus o squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. All right, where the centre is AB and the radius is r. Okay, so when we look at this, that means that the x-coordinate of the centre is 0 because there's nothing. It's kind of x minus 0 all squared, if you know what I mean. And this one, minus 4, and the radius is going to be 3. Okay, so there we go. Right, now if the brackets have been expanded, ultimately what we're going to be doing is completing the square, okay, for both bits. Okay, for both x and y, I should say. So here we go. So we get x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus y minus 1 squared minus 1 equals 5. Okay, tidy that up. We get this plus y minus 1 all squared. Now then, I've got to add 10 onto both sides. There we go, equals 15. So the centre here is going to be 3, 1. And the radius is going to be root 15. Now, not all radii are going to be whole numbers, all right? So there was in the first one, there isn't in this one. Okay, so it should be root 15. Okay, because remember, it's r squared. Here we go. Now, finally, here we go. The coordinate P 2, 3 lies on the circle of the equation x squared plus y squared equals 13. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at P. Now then, the centre of that is 0, 0. Okay, and you need to find the gradient of this. All right, so the gradient is going to be, is the rise over the run, which is, 3 over 2, all right, from 0 goes up 3 and along 2. Okay, so that means, now the gradient, essentially, if I draw a picture, and I left quite a big box here, because what I've got, here's the centre, all right, this is the radius, up to 3, 2, and the tangent looks something like that. Now they meet at 90 degrees, so the gradient of tangent, okay, is minus 2/3. Okay, and we know it goes through the point 2, 3. So we're gonna, here we go. So I'm gonna put into y equals mx plus c. I'm gonna put y is 3 from here. Okay, m is minus 2/3. All right, from here, and hang on, so I need to change colour, don't I? Times x, which is 2 from here, all right, plus c. And we're doing that to find c, so c equals, now let's get my calculator. So I'm going to do 3 plus 4/3, okay, which is 30. So c equals 13 over 3. So what I've done is I've made that minus 4/3, all right, and added it onto 3. Okay, and so the equation of the tangent should look like y equals minus 2/3 x plus 13 over 3. Okay, now you might have to put it in this form, 3y equals minus 2x plus 13. But you don't have to. It depends what the question asks. It doesn't specify in this one. Okay, but there you go. All right, so circles. Remember, if you might get, the other thing you might get actually is you might get a chord. You might get the ends of a chord, and when the radius meets that, it cuts the chord in half. But it also meets it at right angles as well. So that's the other thing you need to bear in mind regarding circles. Anyway, enjoy.